Hello sir,
Yeah.
we have another material here
Yeah.
which introduces a child to the concept of division. Division is one of those arithmetic operations which in traditional system maybe we offer it at a later stage because we feel it is difficult. But in a Montessori environment, we would not offer it late. We offer it, we give it equal importance as we give it to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So when we look at the basics of division, division is nothing but sharing equally or splitting of equal quantities.
It also gives you idea of composition.
Yeah, it also gives you the idea of composition.
What is it made up of?
Yeah.
A number is made up of smaller numbers.
Yes.
Okay. So that idea they should catch up.
Catch up, yeah.
Later techniques can be learned later for bigger numbers.
Yeah. So we usually say that when you have to divide a quantity amongst people, okay, and that's how we begin this presentation. So these are called skittles. These represent people. So we usually start with 9. So there are 9 of them. So and we ask the child to take any number. So when we present it first time,
there are 9 persons.
Yeah. When we present it first time, we usually take a number which is divisible by most of it. So let's say we take 36. So we'll take 36 beads in this bowl. Shall we give one bead to each of them?
Yeah, this what.
Okay. So division means giving, sharing. So if I am giving one bead to one, I have to give one to all the 9.
This is in principles, mathematically we speak about. It's also called pigeonhole principle.
Okay.
How many holes are there, how many pigeons are there, how can we accommodate?
Okay.
If there are more pigeons, you require more holes. Like.
Okay. So it is like 1 to 1 corresponding.
Yeah, exactly. Now that's what we are trying.
Introducing. So then we'll say there are more beads in the bowl.
Yeah.
So we can give again.
Yeah.
So if we give it to one, we have to give it to all of them. So I'm just giving it to them. Okay. So we have
Now this is empty.
empty.
So all the 36 have been distributed among 9.
9.
And equally.
Yes, equally. So if one has got 4, 9 has also got.
Ninth one also has got 4.
So 36 divided by 9 is 4.
Yeah.
And there is nothing in the box.
Correct.
So now next what we will do is.
Wait, moreover, say this, the perception with the mind will be like, there will be 9, this will be 4, a total 36. So it will be forming a rectangle shape. So that product will be printed in the mind, 9 into 4.
9 into 4. So there's multiplication also.
Later, when it is applying, later stage, when the child tries to find the area of a rectangle, that will help.
Yeah.
It doesn't require any technique for that.
Length into breadth.
Yes.
Okay. So then I will remove one and then we'll remove what was given to that person.
Yes.
So now we will say in division, if we give it to one, we have to give it to everybody.
Yeah.
So we have only 4. So can we give it to all of them?
No.
No, we cannot.
We cannot.
So therefore, these 4, 36 divided by 8 is 4 and whatever remains is remainder, which is also
Extra.
4. Yeah.
Okay. But now thing is there is one left here.
Yes.
Yeah. There is one left here.
One left here.
So remainder, there is still a remainder.
Yes.
That means 36 is not equally divided by 7.
7.
So 1 is left here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it counts. There are only 35 because 1 is left here.
Yes.
See the
Beauty.
subtraction. Earlier it was 36. Now 1 is left here. So there must be 35 there.
Yes.
So that 35 is 5 into 7.
7.
So everything, even multiplication table, division, subtraction is compounded in this exercise.
Exactly. 6.
See, this is equally divided now. So if there are 6 people, they will, each one will get 6 each.
Yes.
So you will get a perfect square now. 6 into 6 is 36.
Yes.
Okay, no remainder.
No remainder.
So 6 is another divisor of 36. Earlier it was 9, which was a divisor of 36. Now it is 6, which is a divisor
Instead
of
of
36.
Is also sensorially understanding that we cannot divide by all.
Yeah.
When we divide, sometimes we get remainder, sometimes we
Yeah.
don't get a remainder. So that is the
So,
beauty of this.
Yeah, that's
material.
also there. See, geometrical shapes, which actually gives you the idea, as I told you, rectangular area. Now, number of persons is less, but number of beats they are getting is more.
More.
At a stage, they study what is called as commutative law.
Ah.
Can you commute? See, A plus B is B plus A. Your common sense says A into B, B into A. So that's also true.
Yeah.
That is what it is now understanding here.
Yes.
Earlier it was 7 into 5, now it is 5 into 7.
Into 7.
Both are 35.
Both are 35. Exactly.